Three, two, one. Hi, it's Chris Hallett here from Agile for Business Simplified, and I'm a coach and I'm a hypnotherapist. More than that, I spent the last 25 years or over 25 years working in a variety of businesses, helping them streamline processes, build new systems, and helping people change the way they work to focus on what they should be doing every day. And it's the same with coaches. Your business is serving your clients, not building technological solutions. So I understand where you are because it's not your business to build technology. You have all these pieces that you need to join together. And so what I do, as well as helping people overcome that fear of technology and of speaking to camera, is I teach you how to streamline that process, how to build the right pieces in the right order, which saves you time and money, enables you to serve your clients in a much more efficient way. And obviously the net result is you have happier clients and you make more money. I work with people on a one-to-one basis, in groups. And my question to you is, what's the big challenge that you're encountering at the moment in serving your clients online? I'd be really interested to hear what that challenge is and how I can help you. My name's Chris Hallett and my company is Agile for Business Simplified.